Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's make watermelon shake today. Wash and cut the watermelon. We will use half of the watermelon today. Cut it into 1/4. Now we will use a scoop, a small scoop, and scoop out balls of watermelon. See that you use the part of watermelon where there are less seeds. We will use these balls for the decor and chop the remaining watermelon and de-seed it. Cut into small pieces so that the seeds are visible. Now we will carve a design for the decor. I want to make one heart shape and one leaf. You can cut in any shape that you desire. This is the leaf. Slightly difficult. You have to use the carving knife. The knife which is used for wedge carving. You can see it in the picture. It is sharp on the other side. Use it like a pencil to make it a leaf shape. Hold it slightly slant so that it doesn't go through and through, only the skin is cut. You can see it is shaping into a leaf now. I'm making the veins. Now blend the watermelon in a mixer jar or a juicer, whichever is convenient. Do not blend it too much. Let it be slightly coarse. Taste good that way. Now transfer to a jug. I have not added any sweetening agent. Now add cold milk. Add rose syrup. This is store bought. This is sweet, so we have not added any sugar. Now stir and adjust the taste. You can add more milk or more juice as per your taste. Now the juice is ready. To serve, add rose syrup in the glass. It looks good and very nice to serve like that. See, you can see the shades of the rose syrup. Now we will take skewers, wooden skewers for the decor. Assemble it as shown. See how beautiful it looks. You can use 2 or 3 also if you wish. The watermelon balls look good. Now I have whipping cream, so we will decorate it. Pink and white goes together. You can also add ice cream. Vanilla ice cream will taste good and also look good. Place watermelon balls on the whipped cream. Now the shake is ready. Subscribe to my channel if you like my recipes and share my recipes with your friends. Thank you.